Good morning, students. Welcome back to our channel. So, today we are going to deal with Unit 3 Situational English. So, last title is Resume Writings. Now we are going to focus. See, see the slides. Resume writing. What is a resume? Strong resume communicates your qualifications and sets up for career success. So, that sets you up for career success. So here's a full breakdown of what resume is. Why resumes are important for job seekers. See that. Now we are going to see. So what is resume? A resume is a formal document that a job applicant creates to itemize his or her qualifications for a position. A resume is usually accompanied by a customized cover letter in which the applicant expresses an interest in a specific job or company and draws attention to the most relevant specifics on the resume. Actually, a resume is a formal document that provides an overview of your professional qualifications, including your relevant work experience, skills, education, and notable compliments. Usually, paired with the cover letter, a resume helps you demonstrate your abilities and convince employer you are qualified and hireable. So actually the spelling of resume originates from French and means summary. To this day, the purpose of resume is still to provide employers with a summary of your relevant qualifications. See how the resume should be made. See, if you are applying for a job, you need at least a resume to be considered for the position. So, on a base level, a resume is made up of the following five parts. What are they? See, they are contact details, introduction, educational background, work history, relevant skills. See, what are all the five parts of following resume writing? Contact details, introduction, educational background, work history, relevant skills. Actually, the purpose of a resume, see, many job seekers assume that the purpose of resume is to provide a full overview of their professional history. Instead, the goal of your resume is to convince employers you are worth interviewing. To that end, your resume is a valuable tool. You can use it to highlight your experience to prospective employers. If your resume provides a concise summary of your relevant qualifications and skills in a format that makes your ability to handle the work as clear as possible, you will get more interviews. So, this is the purpose of resume. So, what do I include on a resume? See, they are. So, what you should put on your resume depends on the job you are applying for and your relevant professional background. At a minimum, your resume should include the following sections. They are contact details. Think. Include your first and last name, phone number, and email address. Additionally, you can add your LinkedIn profile if yours is up to a date, and your mailing address if you want to prove you live near the place you are applying. So next one it is section number 2. It is introductions, that is summary or profile summary of yours. So it is in a resume like a career objective. So introduction, a concise overview of your professional background and key qualifications. Your introduction can be in the form of a resume summary, professional profile. resume objective or qualification summary, that is called introduction. See the next one, education. So educations, which means include your school names, highest degree in and majors and minors. Additionally, you can add your GPA, that is a grade point systems. Okay, so if it is greater than 3.8 and relevant coursework, if you lack experience or it is related to the position, you can add in your resume. So next thing, it is experience. List any relevant work experience you have. Include your title, the company you worked for, years worked, and a bulleted list out your key responsibilities and notable successes. Be sure to also include as many relevant accomplishments on your resume as possible. So you can add your experience too. So next one, it is skills. Skills include any resume skills you possess that are relevant to the position. Be sure to use a strong mix of hard skills and soft skills to demonstrate that you are a well-rounded candidate. So these are the basic skills to follow the to make a to prepare a resume. So minimum your resume should include the following sections, these things. Thank you everyone. So last, and in the next video I will give you a resume template for example. Thank you.